Hello, great people. I welcome you into Physique Fashion House Studio. This is Madam Fola. We are so glad to have you here. Today we'll be learning something interesting. We'll be learning how to make drape skirt you are seeing in that thumbnail. And to make that drape skirt, I'll be making use of this our regular hairline skirts to make it. This is hairline skirt. I've already made it. I make it normal hairline skirt. I think you can see it. So it have a zipper by the side. Your zipper can be fixed at the back, no problem. So to recreate it to this beautiful drape skirts you are seeing in the thumbnail, all you need to do is to place your skirt this way and get that region where your darts supposed to be normally. You know, under normal circumstances, assuming this skirt you have a dart, waist dart, it will be somewhere around here, around the 3.5. That is the bust span of the client. So having done that, that line, rule it straight down, just the way you see me doing. Hope you are seeing it. You rule it straight down. It's okay. Then take your tape, measure on that line. Measure from the waist region. Measure 1 inch down. Just this way. Mark your 1 inch here. Then from that 1 inch you mark down, begin to mark for 4 inches. 4 inches. 4 inches. You mark like 4 of that 4 inches. Before I move on, the length of the skirt I'm working with is like 29 inches. That's something 3/4 length skirt. So you can make yours longer than that as you prefer it. The next thing we do now is to take this to the body form and go and perfect the remaining job on the body form before we bring it back to the machine. Here we come out to our body form. So these are the marks that we have. We come down here with 1 inch. Then we have our 4 inch, 4 inches, 4 inches, 4 inches. So the next thing is for us to be picking it now and attaching it to this point. So we pick the first one here. We bring it to this 1 inch. And we have to pin it here. I don't want it to be pinned to the body form so that it will be easier to remove. I remove this. So I pick the next one this way. I bring it here, but I ensure that you step down with like half an inch. Don't place it on the former one direct. I pick the next one. You are good to leave it this way, and you are good to pick the next one here. just the same way, depends on you. So I leave mine this way. Then you arrange it. Arrange all those drape you had already. If we are to pick the next one, just pick it this way. You push this inside, push it inward. Yeah, here we have it. So the next thing for me is just to take it to the machine. I remove it from the body form. I take it to my machine. I stitch down all those which I have held down with pin. I stitch it down, and our beautiful drape skirt will be ready. So let's go and do that. Let me just remove it from the body form. Even here, you are good to, pin it down. You just tack it down here so that it will not be opening. So you come to this side as well, you tack it down. And this will be the look of your drape skirt. So let's take it to the machine. Let me go and do that.